got it. All I gotta do is weld this corner, tack the other corners, and that part is done. Alright guys, here's the welds. I got my wire brush and my clean rag and cleaned them up the best I could. Alright guys, I decided to go ahead and finish it up. I didn't want to rush Monday or Tuesday before we do the job, but yeah, I got it all painted. I got the holes drilled for the legs, got a second coat, and we're ready to rock come Monday or Tuesday, sorry. Thanks for watching guys. I'll talk to you guys later.